आता पळोवया दिवचलच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी।
आज परत एकदा सगळ्या ऑफिसरांची मीटिंग घेतल्या आणि त्या मिटिंगेन चवथीच्या बोळान सगळे रस्ते खड्डेमय जाल्ले आसा। ते खड्डे सगळे चवथीच्या पयलीं पोटहोल्स काडून ते परत आसा तशे रस्ते करपाचो तांकां सांगलेलें आसा। आयज एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचे लोक आसले, इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंटाचे लोक आसले, बाकी सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या लोकांक जी तेंच्या वाट्याक कामां आसा ती सगळीं कामां वेवस्थीत तांकां वांटून दिल्लीं आसा। हांगासरली ट्राफीक सुरळीत जावची, पार्किंग वेवस्थीत जावचें हेच्या खातीर पुलीस आनी RTO खातीर सहकार्य करतले अशें म्हाका आशा आसा।
This is the only festival in the world celebrated by everybody cutting across the caste, creed and religion.
म्हारगाई फुडें पावली आहा आनी हेका जबाबदार कोण आहा? वयल्यान जे सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट पासून गोंयचे गव्हर्नमेंट हे सगळे लोक हेका जबाबदार आहा। जबाबदारी कोणूच आपली जितकारूंक शकना, लोकूय तितके जबाबदार आहात, शेतकरी तितके जबाबदार आहात।
या शेती व्यवसायात युवकांनी फुडें येवपाक जाय आनी फुडें येवपा खातीर सरकारान आपल्यो वेगवेगळ्यो सुविधा निर्माण केल्ल्यो आसा।
आदलो आंतरराष्ट्रीय क्रिकेटर सुरिंदर अमरनाथ गोंयचो मुखेल सल्लागार प्रशिक्षक म्हणून गोंयच्या रणजी क्रिकेटरांच्या खेळाचो पावंडो सुदारपा खातीर यत्न करतलो। इतलेंच न्ही, गोंय क्रिकेट संघटनेच्या सगळ्या पिराये सकयल्या टिमींक आपल्या अणभवाचो फायदो जातलो हें तो पळयतलो।
I have with me the chief consultant coach appointed by the Goa Cricket Association to guide the Goan cricketers. With me here now is Surinder Amarnath, who is of course the former Test and ODI cricketer for India. How do you sum up this challenge for you?
A very exciting job, and it's really a challenge to see at least entire age group. And I'm sure that we all find some talent at least for Goa and do the wonders for them.
Yeah. So just elaborating into it, across the age groups means your coaching advice would be really going through a plethora of different levels. You have to see the under 14 players and then the Ranji levels. Of course, you will be giving the inputs to their respective coaches, but overall, how would your philosophy be towards your job?
Well, most of the things I'll be, guiding them, and for the senior stage probably team, I'll be giving them my final points.
Yeah.
And whenever the coaching requires, I'll definitely like to do it myself. And for the younger boy who are upcoming, definitely need more attention.
Yeah.
And it's entirely the coaches and all that depends on them how we can plan out, because I hardly got time to do that.
Yeah.
So I'll just sit all the age group coaches and plan out the things for future and do the job.
This time the Ranji format is different. How do you?
No, I really find it very fascinating and very good for the teams. At least they get more matches to play. And the more matches they play, the more time they to perform. And definitely it's better for Goa also, because they...
And only two top teams from a group qualify for the...
Yes, that's still okay. I mean, it's better than the previous one. They were giving only 4 to 5 matches earlier.
मिरामारची धेंपे कॉलेज आणि मडगावची डॉन बॉस्को कॉलेज आंतर महाविद्यालय फुटबॉल सर्तीचे फायनलींत पावले। सर्तीची फायनल शुक्रारा सकाळी गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या ग्राउंडार जातली। तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचेत्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.